In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop N8N. If you've been running N8N for testing or development and you're ready to shut it down, the process is simple and safe when done correctly. We'll walk through exactly what to do, why it works, and how to know you've stopped it successfully. First, return to the terminal or command prompt where N8N is currently running. This is the same window you used to start it, and you'll usually see a steady stream of log messages or a message indicating that the server is listening. If you have multiple terminals open, look for the one showing live output from N8N or the one that looks busy rather than showing a prompt waiting for your next command. With that window in focus, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard at the same time. This sends what's called an interrupt signal to the process. Instead of abruptly killing N8N, it asks the application to shut down gracefully. That means N8N can stop accepting new work, close connections, and wrap up what it's doing to avoid data corruption. Note that it's Ctrl plus C. Even on macOS terminal, it's not the copy command. After pressing Ctrl plus C, give it a few seconds. You may see messages indicating that services are closing, executions are being finalized, or that the server is stopping. This waiting period is important, especially if there are ongoing tasks or open connections. Resist the temptation to close the terminal window immediately. Let N8N finish its cleanup. If you don't see any response right away, press Ctrl plus C one more time, then wait again. Avoid pressing it repeatedly, as spamming interrupts can prevent a clean shutdown. You'll know N8N has fully stopped when the log output ceases and your terminal returns to the standard command prompt, ready for a new command. That's your confirmation that the process is no longer running in the foreground. From this point, N8N is no longer serving requests, triggering workflows, or handling webhooks. Any automations that rely on it will remain paused until you start it again. A quick tip before we wrap up. Stopping N8N with Ctrl plus C is the preferred method when it's running in a terminal session because it gives the application a chance to exit cleanly. If you consistently let it shut down this way, you reduce the risk of unfinished executions or partial writes. And that's all there is to it. Return to the terminal where N8N is running, press Ctrl plus C, wait for it to close, and once the process stops, you're done.